Hey everyone, this is David at Finish Line Factory, and today's a great day. We've got my friend Ari here, and today we're fixing the turbo Miata. So let me flip the camera around. All right, so here we got the damage to the radiator support, so we're going to be replacing that. We're taking the car over to a body shop so that they can straighten this rail out. This is the rail that the fender sits on. So first they're going to use a frame machine. They're going to pull on this. They're going to straighten out the radiator support, and in turn straighten out this rail using the fender as a guide. Once they do that, we can start putting all the panels on. Realistically, this is the only thing that requires any real work. This is the biggest part. So once this is straightened out, put the new fender on, which is over there, put the hood on, put the bumper on, headlights back on, and we got a new car, right? Yeah. So thank you, Ari, for waking up early.
No worries. I have the honor of driving this on the highway.
Yep. You're going to drive the car on the highway. I'm going to drive the truck. We're going to load up the truck with all the parts. So let's get to rocking and rolling.
All right, let's do it.
All right, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Damn, that's a nice shirt you got there.
Thanks, dude. It's actually it's an MB1 Miata, even though I had an MB2.
Nice.
Yeah.
It looks like an MB2 though.
It's not. Look at the.
Yes, because it's got reflectors. Mm-hmm. It's got different headlights.
Also, the fog lights different. MB1 fog lights.
Yeah.
See, like they're.
I didn't even know that the MB1 was available with fog lights.
Yeah.
Because you hardly ever see them. They always have like regular.
The SC was the one with the fog lights. I know a lot of Miatas. I don't
and
have
then
a Miata
MB2,
anymore,
the fog lights came standard, I think.
Yeah. Yeah. All of them.
Oh, cool. And it's got red 5. I see what you're doing there.
The R2D2 right there.
Yeah, there you go. It's pretty cool.
And like the Star Wars language. Yeah. I don't know the name of the language.
That's something.
Yeah.
And then it's got looks like a APR GT3 wing and garage very lip with a splitter.
And that's cool. Avanti Storm S1s.
Good stuff. Oh, nice. Look at that. Then Avanti Storm S1s. Best wheels in the world.
I don't know about that.
For Miatas.
I like Konigs.
Konigs are pretty cool too.
I had Konigs in my Miatas.
All right, let's get started. Back it on up.
Back it up.
Back it on up. What the hell was that?
It's been a while.
I can tell. Hey, don't slip my clutch now.
That's normal, right?
Go ahead. Get closer to the wall. Off. Great.
Autos like that?
Yeah.
Why?
It's something to do with the mega squirt and the tune. I have to figure out. It's like a mega squirt thing. For some reason, when it's cold, it'll think that 3,000 RPM is a perfectly placed idle.
So should I start it up and let it warm up?
No, it's fine.
Okay.
It has something to do with the fuel overrun.
I put my
so I gotta mess around with it. All right. We got the truck loaded up. Ari's getting ready to drive the car. So let's get out of here. All right, you ready to go?
Wait.
What are you doing?
Wait, get my glass.
Look at this absolute legend.
Alright, I'm putting the roof down.
No.
Why not? It's a Miata.
All right, fine.
Yeah! Hell yeah, dude!
Let's see if you can figure out the procedure because the roof is kind of fucked up. It's gonna get stuck there and he's a Miata owner. Come on.
I used to have one of these.
Come on. You know how to do it.
I used to have one of these. I know how to do it.
There we go. Okay. He knows the procedure. Okay. All right. So there's some stuff in the passenger seat. Just stash it in the glove box.
Yeah.
All right. Let's roll out.
What?
Let's roll out.
Driving a Miata for the first time since I sold mine.
Yeah.
Probably gonna cry on the way there.
Probably. You weirdo.
Feels good.
I know.
Are you stuck suspension and everything?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
See you, brother.
Yeah, I used to have
All right, we're here. So we're at Alltech Collision and Paint in Boca. And this is my buddy Aaron.
Hey,
Thanks, man. Thank you for helping us out here. So yeah, we're going to repair the damage to the car. We're going to get it up on the frame machine and get rocking and rolling.
For sure. Hell yeah.
So first, I guess we got to unload the parts from the truck and get the car inside. All right, so Aaron's got this from here. Gonna get it up on the frame machine. Thank you, brother. Me and Ari, let's go get some. Let's go get some breakfast. Hey, have you driven the truck?
Me?
Yeah.
No.
Drive it.
All right.
All right, so we're gonna let Aaron take it for a little quick pass around the street. It's not bad.
I like it. I had fun driving it. I had a lot of fun driving it.
Oh yeah, it's a really fun car.
Definitely.
Huh? It's fun, right?
Oh my gosh.
It's fun, right?
It's not like crazy fast, but the like wow factor is
yeah.
like all there.
Like it's not super fast, but it's
it
really,
doesn't
really
need
fun.
to be. It's as fast as it needs to be.
Yeah.
And I love the turbo response because it's not like
Super
kicking,
laggy.
like, where it's like crazy and you're
Yeah.
like, oh, what the fuck?
And that's a cheap Chinese turbo. Imagine if it got like a good turbo.
Oh,
Like
the
a
spool
really
would
good,
be,
like a ball bearing.
The spool would be even crazier.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, good stuff, man. Good stuff.
That is cool. Because I've driven a Subaru, which is like a little more snappier.
Yeah.
But that's also like.
Yeah, like
all
when you have
the-
a big turbo, you get that long spool, but then a big punch. This
Yeah.
is like it's a quick spool, but
love the
it doesn't
blow.
like punch you
too.
in the face. You're
That's
like you're
great.
having fun, you know.
Yeah, I love the.
You know what it
blow-up,
is?
though.
It's
like the best part.
usable power because you don't feel like you're in danger. You don't feel like you're doing something dangerous. You just feel like you're having fun. You know?
Yeah, that's like the one that you want to have because it's like you
Yeah.
can constantly drive it. It's not going to put you
Yeah.
in a spot.
You don't
that's
feel like it's going to start sliding out from under you.
Yeah,
It's
I know.
just right.
No, it's
So, anyway, me and Ari, we're going to get some breakfast. So, good seeing you, man.
you too. Thank you for letting me drive it.
Anytime, brother. Anytime.
The next day.
Yo, what's up, dude? All right, so it's actually like the next day now. So you sent me a text at 9, but I thought it was going to be done like later this afternoon.
I never slept.
You didn't sleep?
No, I was up for like 12
Are you alive? Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good. No, it's not the first time. No, I've done it before. That's how this car got painted. That's how a bunch of cars, a lot of stuff got done.
Oh,
I
nice.
just get like in a groove and then I just keep going and going and going.
Yeah,
and
I do
going.
that, but like when I'm like cleaning my house, for example. You know what I'm saying? Like you start cleaning your house, and you're like,
Yeah.
what else can I clean? What else can I make better?
Yeah, so
So-
then next you know the sun's coming up and I'm still moving. I'm like,
Can't
okay.
stop.
Keep
Just
going.
just so focused on it,
Yeah.
dude. That is
I think I only had like 2 cups of coffee too. I didn't even like
you're
get
crazy.
tired at all.
You look pretty tired. I don't think you should drive.
Well, that was because I sat in the car and then I ate and then I was like,
so
I just want to sleep now.
let's check the car out.
Yeah, check it out. The hood still can't close because the latch is kind of messed up, but
Yeah, I'll go buy a new latch.
like it never happened.
Oh, dude. It's wow. You even matched the. Did you blend it in too?
Yeah, I painted it all the way across,
Oh my gosh.
so it looks factory. It's
Dude.
not the original. It's not the original style color underneath because it's a
Close
color.
enough.
It's a color, and then you lightly dust in the silver.
Right?
But I had it's supposed to be light gray, but this is a light green. But it's basically dead on.
I mean, either way, dude, this looks. Like honestly, if you just pop the hood in front of anyone and you ask them, hey, did you ever see any problems here?
Yeah.
Like, yeah. So unfortunately, yeah, the hood latch is broken.
Yeah.
So that's
You
not a
can
big
get-
deal.
You could get it to go down where this will hold it. You just can't. It won't.
Yeah, so I can still drive it to the shop.
Yeah.
I just can't.
It just won't fully
Let me
shut.
see
It
here.
won't come off. It won't come off any sooner than that.
Yeah, we're
I
safe.
toyed with it a little bit. All the dents that are on the bumper.
And how's the panel gap? I guess. I might need to adjust the hood a little bit. I guess.
No, it's a dead on.
Oh, dude.
It's dead already on. It's just the latch makes it look.
Oh,
like it's off.
you just adjusted it without the latch on.
Yeah, I always adjust without the latch because that's the proper way to adjust a hood.
Right.
Is you do it without the latch, then you fit the fenders.
Because then you have to go in and pop the hood, go back and forth all the time.
Yeah, yeah. So you always do it with no latch, and then you work from the fenders, from the lights, and then out to the bumper,
Oh,
and then you
okay.
go from there, and you size everything up little by little.
Dude,
And it's all there.
it looks incredible,
And
man.
that picture you seen yesterday of it together, that was the test fit because I bolted that
Right.
down, and I had mounted it in a certain way to get it all in, and then I mounted everything, and then pulled it back apart, and then I started doing everything.
Oh man! And with the refresh headlights that I did at the shop.
I buffed them too for you.
Oh, you buffed them on top of that?
Yeah, a little bit. I hit
Oh,
them with
man.
some compound, so they're a little shinier.
It looks. Yeah, you're right. It does
A little bit.
Because I did a pretty good job at the shop, but you got that tiny, like that extra
Yeah.
3% that makes all the difference.
I didn't go crazy because I was kind of like on some time.
Yeah.
That was when I had some bit of time.
Dude, thank you so much, man. Thank you
You're
so
welcome.
much.
Anytime.
Oh man, I can't wait to drive it again. Oh yeah.
I took pictures of everything if you want that too.
Oh hell yeah, let me see
So I
that.
have all the pictures of all the way through the process of doing that.
You know what? I want to show everyone that's watching this. I want to show them the frame machine pulling on the old radiator support. You guys got to see this. Look at that. And this is in real time. This isn't like slowed down. Look at that. It's pulling it like nothing. Dude. That's crazy. Yeah, and then you got to like kind of close, and then you just kind of cut it off, and then
The hood all.
oh, you painted the underside of the hood too. Thank you for that too, by the way. I was
You're
gonna
welcome.
rattle can it flat black. Oh, and that's what the new section in.
Yeah, with the raw metal. There's the fender. That was all mud all the way back to there. Oh, that's another video. And that's the rad support after being painted. What do you know?
Dude, you know this really shows a passion for what you do.
Yeah.
You know.
I do
Thank
love
you
it.
so much, man. Thank you so much.
I love cars like this because this is what makes me stay up all night, because I could see this car and then I see a turbo and I'm like, who needs coffee? I
Yeah,
got
right.
a turbo. So that's enjoyable,
Oh, yeah.
especially working with normal
Because
cars
like,
all
if
day.
it's like a regular ass car, it's like whatever,
Oh,
sure.
I deal with those every
You know,
day.
you got a Subaru and stuff. You know,
I deal with those.
but when it's
every
like something
day.
special, something that somebody actually really cares about, you know, and not just something used for hauling the kids around.
Yeah.
You know?
So it makes it worth it.
Yeah.
It makes it more like.
Especially when I
enjoyable to
got
work
a lot
on.
of big plans for this car. I'm gonna get the suspension going. I gotta get the wheels and tires. I got some more parts coming.
That's kind of cool. I want to see all that.
Oh yeah,
That'd be sick on that.
it's coming real soon. I
Yeah.
just gotta place the order.
I gotta throw a turbo on mine now.
Yeah, dude, you gotta put a turbo on this thing, man. I mean, I know it's only got a 5M, but still. 2J swap. True.
Still got all the compression there. I cleaned it this morning, so it's all
You got
shiny.
the cool aero catch. Did you install this yourself?
Yeah, these. Yeah.
I actually have a set of these at my shop that I never installed. Maybe we just throw them on.
Finicky as hell.
Oh yeah, these are a nightmare. When I installed mine on my old BMW, dude, it took me like, oh, sick.
It's all WD-40'd up.
Oh, that's right. Last time I saw this, you didn't have a hood on at all,
No, I had no hood. I had no back glass.
dude.
I had it all.
And I see you went all out and you got the shocks.
Yeah. It is all.
That's really good presentation, man.
Actually, I think I've replaced about everything on this car that could be bolted in or bolted off.
Probably, except the engine, or did you replace the engine too?
No.
Not
That's
yet.
the only original thing.
2J swap.
Yeah. That's next.
That's next. Oh shit.
That's next. But it's got new injectors, fuel pump, filter. It's been retorqued. It's spark plugs in it. Anything you could think of to bolt in to make sure it's running right, it's been done. It's all been redone. It worked.
Yeah, man. So you got a new upgraded racing radiator. You got a mini tube frame here.
Yeah. That'd make it a little easier to get that.
And did you make this yourself?
Yeah.
Oh.
I made it so I had more access and to get the hood pins in.
Oh yeah, because now you can get all up in here.
Yeah, and plus I had to custom mount this in because this is actually from the next year up. This is from the Mark III.
Oh, okay.
So this is like the next year up, but it has a
Yeah,
5.
they don't make much for the Mark II.
Yeah, because it has a 7M in that, and which has the same routing for the radiator. So
Oh, cool.
it's like dead on. So they're all about the same. Inline 6s.
Yeah.
They all run the same style cooling, same style everything. I
Yeah.
think even the motor mounts are the same.
Hey, I wouldn't be surprised if you could just take a 2J and just put it right there.
Oh yeah. I mean the motor mounts look identical.
Probably.
They're like dead
It's
on.
the motor mount locations that kind of get you,
Yeah, a little bit.
but they might not be that far off.
I don't think so, to be honest.
Dude, I'm so excited. Can't wait to drive my car.
That's gonna be nice. Especially when it's back on the road.
Hell yeah. See, that's the problem with Aerocache is that you have such tight tolerance there.
Yeah.
It's got to be like spot on perfect.
I think it's because
There you go.
this one's like.
Well, it might help if you screw it down.
That too, yeah. I lost the hardware. I don't know. It works though. Hold it down, so we're just gonna.
Yeah, they're just machine screws. That's all they are, I think.
To be honest, after wrecking in the car, I was just like, fuck it, I just want to drive it. Tired of looking at it. I'm tired of building it. I want to drive it.
Exactly. I love the wheels, man. I love, like you got silver wheels up here. You got the black wheels back here.
Yeah,
Did you paint them black?
Factory. Those are factory. Those are painted black.
Okay, so you painted these black.
Yeah.
And I see you got the back glass in.
Yeah, finally.
A little
Put it in.
Bozosoku exhaust there.
Yeah.
Custom
I
exhaust.
lost a little like ring a couple days ago.
Ah.
Dude, I don't even know. I picked
Is
it up.
that is that from the subway?
Yeah, that's one of those
The subway straps in the
yeah.
in Japan?
Yeah, it usually hangs on the
Well,
ground.
yeah,
It sits there.
of course you lost it. It's
It's on the floor.
It's on the floor.
Yeah.
You know, of course it's gonna fall off.
I picked it up from storage and it had it on there, and then before I got here, it was gone.
Ah.
And I heard, yeah, watch out, it's the
From the
worst part
exhaust.
about it. I even did the whole JDM tag thing to flip them out.
That's cute. Awesome, man. All right, well, I'm gonna take the car back to the shop, and then I'll come back and I'll grab the truck. So thanks for the help. I appreciate it so much.
You're welcome.
Like,
Anytime.
this is a lot more than I thought you were gonna do, and you did a really good job on all of it.
Above and beyond.
So I appreciate it, man. Thank you.
Need any more help, let me know.
For sure, brother. Peace.